Hello, welcome back to the LM Learning Lab. Today we are multiplying negative numbers. This is very simple. You can understand it. You can get this right away. When it comes to multiplying negative numbers, it all depends on how many negative numbers there are involved in the problem. If you are multiplying with an even amount of negative numbers, the result is going to be a positive, because when you multiply together two negatives or four negatives together, those all cancel out and become a positive number. However, if you have a problem where there is an odd amount, there's an odd amount of negative numbers that are being multiplied, the result is going to be a negative, because a negative times a positive is going to be a negative every single time. So let's look at these examples here. So up here we have negative 10 times negative 5. We have two negative numbers multiplying together, which is an even amount, so therefore the result automatically is going to be a positive. I'm just going to write this positive sign right here for now to differentiate between positive and negative. Alright, so we got that out the way. Now let's focus on the numbers themselves. We have 10 and we have 5. Alright, 10 times 5 is going to be 50. Therefore, negative 10 times negative 5 is positive 50. Once again, two positives multiplied together make a negative. Two negatives multiplied together make a positive. Now let's look on this question. Negative 3 times positive 4. We see here that we have a negative number times a positive number. We only have one negative number involved in this problem, so therefore this will be negative 12. Let's look at the next problem. 2 times 3 times negative 1. Well, the only thing that matters is how many negative numbers are there. Once again, we only see one negative number, so therefore our answer is going to be a negative. And we multiply these out. 2 times 3 is 6, and then 6 times 1 is 6. Therefore, the answer here is going to be negative 6. Last but not least, we have negative 1 times 2 times negative 4. I see here that I have two negative numbers involved in the problem multiplying together, so therefore the result is going to be a positive. I have 1 times 2, which is 2, and then 2 times 4 is 8. So the answer here is positive 8. As a recap, once again, multiplying negative numbers. If you see an even amount of negative numbers in the multiplication problem, the end result is going to be a positive. If you see an odd amount of negative numbers in the multiplication problem, the result is going to be a negative. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we will see you all on the next video.